Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Twin Flames Universe, your guide to discovering your twin flame, eternal love, and spirituality. I am certified ascension coach Arshia Naina. Today's card deck is Angel Guide Oracle, where the cards are already pre shuffled and very loving messages have come through. The first card itself is Expect Miracles. So, are you ready to expect miracles? It does not mean that expect something that is, in waiting. It does not mean that you sit and expect for something because expectations always lead to disappointments. So the card is not telling that, it is telling that open your heart and receive. Miracles are there every day, and you are in a positive, good vibe. So open up your heart and receive the miracles of this card reading. Do like this video to receive the energy and the healing in this video, and let it become a miracle in your life, whatever it is that you are desiring for in your twin flame journey. Let's go further, because cards we might go back and forth as the reading is going. It feels like that to me. Vulnerability and freedom. This is the next card I have received, which means that to open up your heart to miracles, you have to be vulnerable and free. You will have to free yourself from what you are binding yourself into, your own limitations. You will have to free yourself from that. If you're controlling yourself, or if you feel tight in your heart, or if your heart feels heavy, then you have to free yourself from it and see what is stopping you from freeing yourself and stopping you from being vulnerable. Now, vulnerability is very powerful. Only a person who has healed all the traumas and can feel confident and have trust and faith can be vulnerable within themselves and also with their twin flame. So these two cards speak back to back, where expect miracles and vulnerability and freedom. When you are free in your heart, when you are vulnerable in your heart, you can expect miracle. You do not have to go and be vulnerable to, people's ego, or you do not have to do that. You can protect your vulnerability also with loving boundaries by choosing to respect yourself. So, this is the energy, the starting energy of the reading, where it is all about your twin flame journey this time. It is a divine message because it is from the angels, and the angels are guiding you in this reading towards your twin flame journey. And there's a lot of gifts kept for you here. That is how I felt in this reading. It is about time that you receive gifts. It's about time that you lived peacefully. That is what the angels are saying. Living a life of, not a broken heart, but living a life of a free heart, a receiving heart. And that is what the twin flame journey is all about, receiving and a free heart. So when the freedom comes in, ease and grace comes in. The next card I have received is a card of ease and grace. So move into ease and grace instead of struggle. In case if you're struggling in your twin flame journey with your twin flame, let's say that there are real difficulties of your twin flame not aligning to you, not respecting you or not taking care of you or not identifying you, or they are not yet around you, they have blocked you. So all these struggles, when you heal your heart, when you bring vulnerability and freedom into your heart, ease and grace will come in. So instead of from a place of anxiety, do everything from a place of ease, from a place of grace, and from a place of love. This is what I am receiving in this card. The next card is joy and contentment. Yes, there is joy and contentment in this journey. If you are questioning and doubting right now, I feel like there is feminines here who is questioning and doubting. Is this journey going to be always difficult? Is it going to be hard? No, there is joy and contentment in this journey. The angels are telling you that if you open up your heart towards love and freedom and vulnerability, there is joy and contentment, and you are not doing this alone. You're doing this with your twin flame. Even if you cannot see it now, the results are inevitable. If you do the mirror exercise, the results are inevitable, and I would invite you to learn how to mirror by starting with the free starters kit. The link will be placed below. And the next one is compassion. So hold compassion for you and your twin flame. If you are a beginner in this journey, I can guarantee you, with the work that I have done in mirror exercise, this is possible. Union is possible. It has been possible for me. So, compassion, hold compassion while you're walking this journey, while you're diving into your inner work. Hold compassion for your twin flame also, that they cannot recognize you at this point, probably to the fullest, but they do realize that you are of importance to them. That is why they don't disappear away from your reality. They are always somewhere around, right? Because you and your twin flame are one, and they cannot forget you. So do claim your joy and contentment here, and move into compassion, letting go of expectations, because expect miracles means, if you have to expect miracles, you have to be in surrenderance and happy and joyful and receive it with open heart. Make the universe your ally. Do not work against the universe. Open up and surrender and choose to receive. And everyone listening to this card reading right now, just by liking this video, call in your angels and receive the miracles, because the miracles are sure shot in this reading. That is what the cards are saying. If you just follow the guides of the angels, because it is a literal angel guide reading. The next card is transformation. So, yes, it is time to change. Change from where you are to where you should be. That is changing in your heart, changing within. When you change in your heart, here the angels are saying, if you transform, miracles are yours. If you transform, your twin flame, your union is yours. This is a guarantee. This is what I'm picking up the energy. So open up your heart, and it is beautiful. It is a golden yellow light I'm seeing. So the adjacent card I received to it is courage and bravery. Well, yes, it is time to bring in the courage and bravery. Call in the strength of divine. You're not doing this alone. That is why I said, make universe, make the divine your ally, your friend, so that everything flows towards you as per your desire, as per your direction. It is safe and brave to open up your arms to love, to your power, towards your transformation. And this journey is very transformational. In general, the journey transforms you into your divine self, transforms you into your power, especially the divine feminines. The divine feminines has a lot of power in this journey. That is why they first realize that they are the ones who get into the inner work, because the masculine is like the consciousness and the feminine is like the energy. So just like a tube light, whenever energy flows into the tube light, that's when the tube light switches on. You have that power to switch on your masculine if you transform and become this vibrant yellow light. And transformation is simple and easy when you do the inner work and when you go within. And to go within, you just need a little bravery and courage, because all you're doing is going within and healing your blocks. So, some bravery and courage, that is all you need. And the next card is manifestation. Yes, again, it is the same message. You will manifest everything that you are desiring if you open up your heart to love, to trust, and be brave and go ahead and dive in. So, do claim your miracles here, because manifestations is 100% real and true. The cards are saying a yes to whatever it is that you are desiring to manifest. And the last card here is ask and receive. Ask and it shall be given to you. It is actually easy. It is easy if you let go of your resistance towards opening up your heart. And how can you let go of your resistance? When you heal your wounds, you will no more be scared of being hurt. And you will be able to open up your heart to love. And what happens when you open up your heart to love? You receive your twin flame, because your twin flame is your ultimate lover. Ask and receive. And even if you're asking for finances or your twin flame or the deepest love you want to ever feel or your life purpose, miracles are sure shot, because the first card and the last card is very much in alignment. That is, expect miracles and ask, and it shall be given to you. So just sit down, do the mirror exercise, meditate, and ask, and it shall be given to you. Also, make sure that you follow the angel guidance that you have received to receive your miracles. So enjoy and receive, and a lot of blessings and miracles to all the feminines who is listening to this. Thank you. For further card reading, do contact an ascension coach.